today I'm gonna tell you a really easy way how to make slime. So I don't have the ingredients right now, but I'm just gonna tell you the easy way. So first, all you have to do is get shampoo, then I guess you have to, like put the shampoo in like a bowl, like something like something like this, like something unusual. But like I said, I don't have the ingredient, but yeah. So get shampoo, pour it in a bowl, then put it in the microwave for 20 minutes. And when 20 minutes is done, just put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. And yeah, that's how you make slime. You can add food coloring because if you don't add food coloring, sorry, it's just gonna be like clear. So if you want clear slime, you don't have to put food coloring. So yeah, put it in 15 minutes and yeah, there you go.